Argan oil, liquid gold for skin and hair. Argan oil, often referred to as liquid gold, is a natural treasure that has been cherished for centuries for its remarkable benefits for skin and hair. Extracted from the nuts of the argan tree, which grows exclusively in Morocco, this oil is rich in nutrients, antioxidants, and essential fatty acids, making it one of the most effective natural products for hydration, nourishment, and rejuvenation. The unique composition of argan oil is what sets it apart. It is packed with vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps fight free radicals, reduce signs of aging, and protect the skin from environmental stressors. Additionally, argan oil contains essential fatty acids including omega-6 and omega-9, which support the skin's natural barrier, lock in moisture, and improve elasticity. These properties make argan oil ideal for a wide range of skin types, from dry and sensitive to combination and oily skin. When applied to the skin, argan oil delivers deep hydration. Its lightweight texture allows it to penetrate quickly, nourishing the deeper layers without leaving a greasy residue. It softens dry patches, smooths rough textures, and restores a healthy, radiant glow. Regular use can help reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and even scars, thanks to its regenerative and antioxidant properties. For those with sensitive skin, argan oil is gentle and soothing, helping to calm irritation, redness, and inflammation. Argan oil is equally beneficial for hair. Dry, damaged, or frizzy hair can be revitalized with a few drops of this natural elixir. Its fatty acids penetrate the hair shaft, strengthening it from within, reducing breakage, and restoring natural shine and softness. Argan oil can be used as a leave-in treatment, a deep conditioning mask, or even a protective layer against heat from styling tools. Its hydrating properties help maintain scalp health, reducing dryness and flakiness while promoting strong and healthy hair growth. One of the most remarkable features of argan oil is its versatility. Beyond skin and hair, it can be incorporated into daily self-care routines in countless ways. For example, a few drops added to your body lotion or facial moisturizer can enhance hydration and provide long-lasting nourishment. Mixing argan oil with natural ingredients such as honey, aloe vera, or essential oils creates custom masks that address specific skincare concerns, from dryness and dullness to aging and pigmentation. Scientific studies support the effectiveness of argan oil for skin and hair health. Research indicates that the topical application of argan oil improves skin hydration, increases elasticity, and reduces oxidative stress. For hair, studies show that argan oil strengthens the hair shaft, prevents breakage, and maintains the natural lipid balance, making it an excellent natural alternative to chemical-laden products. Argan oil's natural antioxidant properties also help protect the skin from harmful environmental factors. Daily exposure to sun, pollution, and stress can damage the skin, leading to premature aging and loss of moisture. Applying argan oil creates a protective barrier that helps shield the skin, while simultaneously providing hydration and essential nutrients. Its anti-inflammatory qualities further contribute to calming the skin, making it suitable for conditions such as eczema or mild irritation. Sustainability and ethical sourcing are important aspects of argan oil production. Traditionally, it is extracted by hand from the nuts of the argan tree, often by local women's cooperatives in Morocco. Supporting these cooperatives ensures that argan oil is harvested sustainably, provides income for local communities, and preserves the ancient traditions associated with this extraordinary oil. Choosing pure, cold-pressed argan oil guarantees the highest quality and potency, allowing you to experience the full range of its benefits. In addition to its hydrating and nourishing properties, argan oil is celebrated for its natural scent and luxurious feel. Incorporating it into your skincare or hair care routine transforms a simple regimen into a sensory experience, promoting relaxation and a sense of well-being. Its silky texture, combined with the subtle nutty aroma, enhances every application, leaving both skin and hair feeling soft, revitalized, and healthy. In conclusion, argan oil is much more than a beauty product. It is a natural solution for hydration, protection, and rejuvenation. Its rich combination of vitamins, antioxidants, and fatty acids makes it ideal for maintaining healthy, radiant skin and strong, shiny hair. Whether used daily as part of a skincare routine, applied to hair as a nourishing treatment, or incorporated into homemade remedies, argan oil offers a holistic approach to beauty and wellness. By embracing argan oil, you are choosing a natural, effective, and sustainable way to care for your body. It's a centuries-old tradition, combined with modern scientific validation, makes it a true treasure of nature liquid gold that nourishes, protects, and restores from head to toe.